Hello everyone, my name is ATP and today I'm going to test a free trading indicator on more than 8,000 trades in 3 different timeframes, which will be the starting point of a new series on my channel where I will test different trading indicators always on the same sample and conditions using Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities and stocks to discover which ones are the best and at the same time provide you with real results and in-depth statistical analysis about each one, something that you have never seen before on other YouTube channel, because you will indeed discover without any clickbait all the real and proven results of each indicator I will bring to this series. So, before starting our tests on today's indicator, which by the way is called the Andean Oscillator, let's quickly define the trading sample and conditions that I will use in every video from this series. So, for the backtesting process, I will be using a special trading bot that I created only for this series, which will give us the possibility of quickly testing any indicator we want on a big sample size in seconds with real and proven results without any bias, and any one of you will be able to use it and confirm every result. At the moment I have 5 indicators available to use. 4 that I have tested in past videos and the Andean Oscillator, but from video to video I will be updating this trading bot with more indicators and options in a way that one single trading bot will offer the possibility of testing hundreds of indicators. During the process you will have the opportunity to access this special trading bot and all its future updates, but I will talk more about that at the end of the video. So for every indicator I will bring to this series, I will backtest it in 3 different time frames: the 30 minutes, the 1 hour and the daily one. On every time frame I will use the data sample from 2022 and 2023 with all the available trading sessions, with an efficient and diverse portfolio of assets from different markets, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock, being the data sources the most used ones. I will present you the results of every asset individually and also together, because for every backtest I will create a trading journal with all the trades given by the indicator in the 3 different timeframes. The risk management will also be the same one, using a 2% risk per trade, a stop loss calculated based on 2 times the average true range indicator number, which is the best way to calculate stop losses, and by using a take profit on the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio zone. And in order to filter losing signals from the indicators, I will also use a 200 period exponential moving average to only take trades that are in the same direction as the overall trend. And so, for every indicator backtest from every video from this series, the conditions will always be these ones. Let's then start our analysis, because I'm pretty excited about this new project. If you are as well, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and comment on which indicators you'd like to see tested on future episodes. So as usual, I am on TradingView, the platform where all the magic is going to happen. If you want to know more about TradingView, you can watch this video on my channel. So before the backtests, I will quickly present you the Andean Oscillator, which all of you can use by clicking on the Indicators tab and searching for it. As I told you, this indicator is free to use. The Andean Oscillator is an indicator that can read price movements on the market and define if it is mainly on an uptrend or on a downtrend. It is formed by 3 lines: the green one, which is the bullish line, the red one, which is the bearish line, and the yellow one, which is the signal line. The easiest way to use this indicator is without the signal line, in a way that when the bull line is over the bear, the market is on an uptrend, and we can expect new higher highs. And when the bearish line is over the bullish, the market is mainly on a downtrend, and so we can expect new lower lows. But to filter fake signals, we can use the signal line in a way that a valid long signal is given if the bullish line crosses above the signal line, and the valid short signal is given if the bearish line crosses above the yellow line. And this is the way we will use the Andean Oscillator for entry signals. After inserting the Andean Oscillator into my trading bot, I can quickly choose it and play with its settings to optimize it, because the bot calculates the results in seconds. but for this backtest I will use the default settings, which are 50 and 9. And you already know that I'm going to use the 200 exponential moving average as a filter indicator, and so I will check this option here. As you can see, all the backtesting conditions are the ones I have defined, and the trading bot not only displays every valid trade on the charts, but it also gives me the statistics about each asset I want to backtest down below on the strategy tester tab. And because I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot takes, and that's what I'm going to do to create the trading journals. I will speed up the video, but you can slow it down on the YouTube settings. I'll see you again in a few seconds. So after inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the Andean Oscillator on the 30-minute time frame, here on the 1-hour one, and next to it on the daily time frame. Overall, the results look pretty good in all time frames, but let's analyze each one more carefully. In the 30-minute time frame, after more than 5,000 trades, we achieved a win rate of 51.23% and a total net profit close to 300%. Here you can find the average results and trades per year. With a profit factor of 1.05 and an average drawdown of about 20%, the strategy in this time frame got this equity curve, which is pretty decent for a simple strategy like this one. The only thing I don't like too much is this big drawdown value of above 80%. Last but not least, you can also check the individual results of each asset here. Then, in the 1-hour time frame, after 2,700 trades, the Andean Oscillator achieved a win rate of about 52% and a total net profit of 220%. Again, here you can find the average results and trades per year, with a profit factor of 1.1 and an average drawdown of about 22%. The strategy in this time frame also got a consistent equity curve with a max drawdown of 60% that happened 2 times. And again, here you can also check the individual results of each asset in this time frame. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 129 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of about 54% and a total net profit of 22%, with a profit factor of 1.2 and an average drawdown of about 7%. The strategy in this time frame got an equity curve a little bit flatter, with a max drawdown of 23%. But nevertheless, it was also profitable and very passive, with an average of 5 trades per month. Here you can check the individual results of each asset in this time frame. So overall, this indicator proved that it is not only consistent in different assets and markets, but also in different time frames. So this deserves a thumbs up. Today I'm not going to compare it to other indicators because this was the first video, but in the next episodes I will create a ranking sheet to compare all the indicators, which is going to be an important analysis to discover which ones are the best. So don't forget to subscribe to don't miss any episode of this series. On my free Discord community, I will soon create a special channel dedicated to this series where you will get to know how you can access this special trading bot that is going to have new indicators to test every single week. So I invite you to join my official Discord, which is free, and stay tuned to the update. If you'd like to work with me on a special project, you can find all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and if you'd like to see a specific indicator tested on the next episodes, just tell me the name of the indicator in the comment section. Be well, thank you and bye bye.